All kids must swim.
So we are headed to the Geary County waterfall. It's like a hidden waterfall. So you have to walk this path. This kind, very, very sweet family that's out here hanging out and swimming. They showed us the path. It took us a minute to find this area, but this is kind of cool. Come on, Sadie. Babe, can you just pick Sadie up so I can actually walk? Cedric, we do not need a part two. So, anyway, guys, we are walking to the waterfall. I hope it's worth coming out here. It is really, really hot. We did not come out here to actually swim, but if it requires, I mean, if we need to take a little dip, we will. Sydney, something on the, yep, on the back of your leg, just like that. Okay, so this is our view right now. This is to the left, and this is to our right. So as you guys can see, the girls are not dressed for the lake. It was just on the fly thing. My husband got off early, so I was like, oh, let's go try that lake that everybody's trying to find. So they got on overalls. I mean, they're pretty lake ready, except for the jean overalls. They got their little cute little Burt purses that I found at Walmart for like $3. It's really to hold their phones and glass sunglasses, but I'm excited. So this is our view behind us. Oh, that's a big cricket. We're almost there. They said this is the split, guys. And they said don't take a left, take a right. He plays so much. We all got on our little bug repellent. It's not really working. Y'all hear it? Yeah. This is what it look like at the top. So now we gotta go down this path. Oh, I'm tired. Come on. Come get Granny. Granny pie.
You can go first.
Oh my goodness. Okay. From this little split right here, guys, you want to take a left.
Oh, you see it, Daddy?
Oh, that is deep. Oh my goodness. Y'all, wish I can catch this sight. We're at the top of it.
We gotta go back down.
What's the scary?
Well, let me record this. Scoot back, Sydney. Oh, this is the top, guys.
Yeah, the top.
This is the top. No, do not move. Stay off the edge. Okay, stay right there. Don't move. This is from the very top.
I can't fix my eyes. Well, look. We should
Okay. So, scratch that, guys. You want to take a right instead of a left coming down. So, I'm going to go back up a little bit. So, you remember I told you to take a left? Instead, take a right. The left would put you at the top of the waterfall. And you want to go to the left. I mean, the right. Oh, it sounds so beautiful and so peaceful right here. So back off through there is where the creek continues to go. This is absolutely gorgeous. So it hasn't rained for a few days. So what's wrong?
She's trying to see the fish. Hold on, you gotta keep looking. So you can catch it.
Yeah.
That's the little dragonfly. So it hasn't rained for a while, so it's pretty low, but the water is still coming down, so it's kind of cool It's a cool first sight for us. Y'all, it smells just like, oh, look at the little dog. Oh. Hello.
How are you?
Great, how are you? Oh my goodness. Okay, now it's mushy right here, okay? Yeah.
Careful, step on the rocks. It's really slippery.
Now, I'm not gonna say your feet not gonna get wet because we're at water, okay? So quit being scared.
Oh, wow.
Quit being scared. Go ahead. Where'd Daddy go? Oh. Yeah, just watch your phone. Hey guys, so we just drove back up so I can show y'all what street you turn down. Literally, you're gonna have to go start slowing down when you put in the GPS where I'm telling you guys to go. It's not gonna take you directly there. It's actually gonna take you past here to the end of the lake. So sorry, I'm tired. We just walked up them hills, but literally, you see, it's like you're coming over that hill. You really can't see this turn, but if you slow up, it looked like the only road, like dirt road, and you turn on State Lake Road, go all the way down and curve off to the left, guys. Do not go to the right, drive into the left, okay? Slowly, because it's a little hilly, okay, and bumpy. But I would drive back down there, but we're very tired. The girls are very hot, so we gotta get them some water. Okay, so we just left from getting our COVID test to PCS. Real simple. All we had to do was stay in the car, pull up to the hospital, and they did the nose one. So yeah, I mean, we'll get our results in 24 hours. You got anything to say?
Stay tuned.
Okay, ladies, so how was the COVID test? It hurts.
Yes.
Pa, how was it?
Good.
It was good. You liked it? Okay. It was easy, huh? Yeah, okay. Put that seatbelt around your chest, baby.
Said it.
So, how was it for you, for real, for real?
It was unexpected. It was like a shot.
But
it hurt like a little bit more than you expect, but not as bad. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah. Okay, so we got movers at the house. Y'all, you're not supposed to leave unless it's an 18-year-old or, hold on. As long as somebody 18 and older is staying at the home. So my neighbor is there, and we're just trying to hurry up and get back so we can, you know, film for y'all and show y'all how it looks so far. They did it real fast, but it was just 3 of them. Bye. So y'all, we have to, I'll explain, but we dropping Sonny off with my mama because he failed his driving test. I'll explain that later. But so we're walking through PetSmart because I have to get another cage for him because it flew off the top of the roof. So yeah, I'm waiting on my mama to get here to see what she can fit in her truck because she probably won't be able to fit the size that we need in the truck. Right now we're in St. Louis. She said she's like a few exits away. She had to meet me halfway. Okay, y'all, so I just met up with my mama. We ended up going with the little cage instead of the kennel. Because he's gonna, by the time we get him back, he's gonna be a pretty healthy boy. So, and plus online it was $55, so we price matched. Now we're headed to Juicy Crab. La Juicy Crab, say hi, baby. Say hi. So, they don't open till 12 and it is 11:37, so we're here. I was just sitting in the car getting Sonny's paperwork together to give to my mama, who's sitting over there chilling. Sonny in the back. They say they open, but I think we're gonna wait until 12.
Please be sure to check that you have all your personal belongings and have left the rental car keys behind. For your safety, please use the crosswalk.
So we are on the bus, gonna catch our flight. It was so much that I couldn't even record it, like to get all of our luggage and stuff. But you will see when it comes off when we land and stuff like that. But it's me and the girls right here. Sadie, hey girl. Baby on that side, and we got Lulu.
We are arriving at
She like, what is going on? But we are on the bus to get to our terminal. You saying hi? We're on the bus to get to our terminal, and I'll check back in about, but really when we get to our place, I hope the USO is open so we can see, so we can sit in there, because we're really early, because we had a lot of stuff and we didn't want to be too late, but we're about to stop, so bye.